Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix screen time not working on iPhone and iOS 18. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is by restarting your iPhone, as a simple restart can fix this issue. If that doesn't work, then go into the settings, now scroll down and go into screen time, and now in here scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions, and now toggle this off and on once. Now go back once and turn off share across devices, and again turn it back on. Now click on log screen time settings, and now enter your passcode over here. And if that doesn't work, go back to the settings and now go into general, and now go into software updates, and if you see an update over here, make sure to update it to the latest version. If that doesn't work, go back to the main settings and now go into general. Now scroll all the way at the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset all settings and now enter your passcode over here, and after you reset all settings, your problem should be fixed. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.